And welcome to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. In today's tutorial for PE Design 11 and Palette 11, I will show you how to create a split embroidery design for when you use multiple hoopings. So this is for when your design is bigger than the hoop that you have. To get started, I will go ahead and click on the blue flower and click on Design Settings, and I will choose the custom size. This is the size of your design. So we're going to go ahead and enter into 30 millimeters by 330 millimeters. And then I'm going to choose the section size for the hoop size. So this is the size of your hoop. This is what it's going to break each section down into to be able to fit your hoop that you currently have. I will go ahead and choose the 120 by 170 millimeter hoop, and then I will go ahead and click OK. Next, I will import my pattern. I'm going to do it from the design library, and I will choose the tutorial section, and then I will go ahead and choose tutorial 10, and I will choose the lace design, and then I will click import, and it will import it into each of the 4 sections. Once it is imported into our work area, I'm going to uncheck everything, and I will click on the blue flower, and I want to check the design properties. And as you can see, it says the about the hoop position, the colors that's needed for each section. Okay. The red that you see here is just the alignment stitching, and it cannot be edited. That's why it says not defined. You cannot edit that. That's just the alignment stitches. Okay. And then if you'd like, you can go ahead then and check your sewing simulator, and we can see how it stitches out. So as you can see here, section 1 is going to go from left to right, and then left to right on the bottom. Okay. Once you send it to your machine to be stitched out, you can do it in any of the ways here. You can send it to a USB drive. You can send it directly to your machine. When you send it over to your machine to be embroidered, it will look like this on your machine. It will have it broken out into the 4 different segments, and your machine will treat each segment like its own design. AA, that's the first one. AB is the second. BA is the third, and BB is the 4th. When you're getting ready to embroider and to prepare your fabric, you do need to print out your positioning sheets. You need to locate those in your files. So you'll go to your File Explorer. You'll go down to Program Files. Under, I think it's under C here, you go down to Program Files. And then you will find PE Design 11. Let's go ahead and click up on this. You'll find PE Design 11, and you'll double click on that. And then you will go ahead and find Positioning Sheet, and then you will find the one that you need to use. And then you can go ahead and print that out in the actual size. Your owner's manual on page 197 to 200 for PE Design 11 will give you detailed directions on how to use the positioning sheets and how to prepare your fabrics for multi-hooping embroidery designs. So you're going to want to be able to follow those directions. They're very easy to follow. And that is how you create a split embroidery design for multiple hoopings. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any suggestions for future tutorials, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified when future tutorials are posted. My next tutorial that I will be filming and getting up here soon will be how to use the repositional hoop. So I look forward to sharing that with you very soon. Thank you for watching.